Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to transform any photo on iPhone into a 3D photo. For example, if you have a photo on your iPhone and you want to convert it into 3D, and if you want to use an app and if you do not want to use an app, so how you can do that. So I will tell you both the method. So if you want to convert any photo into 3D, then you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. So if you want to use the app, then you have to simply open the App Store here. And after that, you have to look for the apps which can provide you the facility like 3D photo. Then you have to simply search for that 3D photo option here available. So here you can simply click on 3D photos and all the apps will be available, 3D photo maker and all. And if you do not want to use the app, the only method is that you can simply convert any photo into 3D, which you can use it in your wallpaper. So how you can convert a photo into 3D wallpaper? For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to look for the wallpaper, and after that you have to simply look for that photo, and after that, as you look for that photo, then you have to simply click on customize, and there is option available. Here you can simply see the depth effect is available. If you turn this on, then you can simply see that effect, depth effect will convert any of the photo into 3D. And if you have any photo available, then you can simply select that photo, and after that you can simply turn on the depth effect, and you can simply check the feature that that photo will be converted into 3D wallpaper. So in this way, you can simply change that simple photo into 3D live wallpaper. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.